webs, it's your realtor Jeremy. Hey, if you're checking this out today on Instagram Live, would you do me a favor and head over to YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be pushing a lot more video content, and I think that the best place for that is YouTube. So would you go on over to YouTube, subscribe. If you're watching this on YouTube Live, just scroll down a little bit and click that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified when new videos drop. Here on the channel, we're covering all things with your home, real estate, how-tos, all that kind of stuff. So let's get into this week's Tuesday market update. Today we're looking at Queen Creek and Santan Valley, and spoiler alert, it's exactly what we expected. All right, Queen Creek is first average sale 388 284, up from 354 567, about a 9.5% change, which is roughly double what Chandler and Gilbert have been seeing, which is kind of what we're expecting. We're expecting it to hover around 8 or 9. Days on market, 58 days on market, up from 52, so about 11% change. Not shocking. Here's the spread of houses that were sold in Queen Creek. We're at 197. Last year we only sold 162, so pretty healthy, robust market out there in Queen Creek. The bulk of the houses that sold were between $300,000 and $400,000. See that little tan line? Looks like last week, doesn't it? Where I think all the East Valley saw a dip in June. I said last week, I think a lot of it has to do with our school schedule and the fact that we literally only have like a month and some change for like summer vacation, summer camp, stuff like that. So I think that that plays a little bit of a role into it. Like my kids are going back to school in like 2 weeks. So, but new listings and in this case, in Queen Creek, sold listings were down a little bit, but nothing to be concerned about. I think this is going to be a little bit of a blip. We shall see next week. Here is the one that looks really enticing, especially if you own in Queen Creek. Your prices have been steadily ticking up. We have a few blips that went up and they kind of came back down, but we didn't have any weird blips down. Just a nice steady climb for Queen Creek, so keep it up. And then days on market, aside from that weird extra long blip in February, everything else is pretty much staying on trend like we expect. Adding a few days here and there on the market. Next we got Santan Valley, a little bit further east, similar results and about where we expected. So average sale price $257 697, up from $237 268, an 8.6% increase. Days on market up 49 from 47, so just 2 days. Not a huge deal. In Santan Valley, we've got 271 houses sold, up from 234 last year. The bulk of the houses, or the bulk of the price point in Santan Valley was between $200 and $250. Again, as we get further away from major metro areas, you tend to get lower price points. Like if you took the same house that's in Santan Valley and you stuck it in Chandler, it's probably going to be at least $70,000 or $80,000 more, if not $100,000. So further out you get, the cheaper prices are, but there's a cost because you're driving further. But for an investment, I think it's a good investment. I think that as more development heads out that way, it won't feel quite as far out. And I mean, well, you've already seen the numbers. It's appreciating quite well. A little less of a dip than we saw in the other East Valley cities on new listings, but still tailing off a hair. We'll have to keep watching this. Like I said, I think it's a blip. We'll have to keep watching this and see if this is a trend that people are pulling houses off the market or not putting as many new houses on the market. Listing prices got some blips up and down, whereas Queen Creek, everything was kind of up. This got some blips up and down, but still generally the trend is upwards pretty smoothly. And then days on market, kind of a little bit of a roller coaster out there, but again, when you're out further, I think there just tends to be a little bit more volatility, especially on days on market, because it is out further. You have fewer people interested in buying because you're so far out there. So it's a combination of a bunch of factors. But Yeah, that's it for this week's market update. Like I said, I think that Queen Creek Santan Valley is still a really good investment for kind of a long-term thing. Obviously, your rents, you don't get as much for rents out there as you do for a similar size house closer in town. But if you're buying it with the thought of appreciating, and that's where a lot of your return on your investment is going to come in, it might be a pretty good idea. But definitely check with me. I appreciate you guys checking this out. Again, reminder, go over to YouTube, subscribe. We're trying to build up that platform as video is my strong suit for sure. And so we're going to try to build that platform up, make it a little more accessible. We'll still post on Facebook. We'll still post on Instagram. A lot of our content are realtorese that a lot of people like and some of our memes. But we're going to definitely be pushing a little more content on the video side. So check it out. If you haven't already seen, we've got 2 episodes up of our Switching to Easy 3 plan. So check those videos out. We got a new one dropping in a couple days. And then at least another 3 or 4 that we've already kind of got planned out, ready to launch. So as always, you guys know I believe you deserve a better quality experience. So whether you're buying or selling, give me a call. Or if you know someone who's looking to buy or sell, have them give me a call, shoot me a text, message me on Facebook, Instagram. There's seriously so many ways to get a hold of me. You'd have to try to not find a way to get a hold of me. But give them a call and let me show you how I can deliver on this promise. Have a great week, everyone. We'll see you back here next week for the next Tuesday market update. Bye.